Are you over 60 and finding it harder than ever to get up from the floor? Maybe you've noticed it recently. You kneel down to pick something up, or you sit on the floor to reach under the couch, and suddenly it takes more effort than it used to. Your knees feel stiff. Your balance feels unsteady. Or maybe you're afraid that one wrong move could make you fall. You're not alone. Millions of older adults struggle with this every single day, and most never talk about it. But here's the good news. Getting up from the floor doesn't have to be scary, painful, or exhausting. In fact, with one simple, safe method, a method used by physical therapists all over the world, you can learn how to stand up smoothly, confidently, and without putting painful pressure on your joints. And today, I'm going to guide you through that exact method, step by step, slowly, gently, and in a way that works even if you have weak legs, limited mobility, or trouble balancing. So if you've ever felt stuck, or worried you might not be able to get up on your own, stay with me. You're about to learn something that can truly make your daily life safer, easier, and a lot less stressful. Before we begin, let me quickly tell you who I am, and why everything you're about to learn is built with your safety and confidence in mind. My mission is simple: to help older adults stay strong, steady, and independent, without pushing, without pain, and without complicated routines that most people over 60 don't actually need. Every movement I teach, every method I share, is designed specifically for seniors. People who want to stay active, avoid unnecessary injuries, and feel safe in their own homes. And the technique you're learning today isn't something I invented. It's not a trend, it's not a shortcut, and it's definitely not risky. This is a gentle, proven method used every single day by physical therapists, mobility specialists, and senior fitness experts around the world. It's safe, it's reliable, and it works even if your knees aren't what they used to be, even if your legs feel weak, even if your balance isn't perfect. In fact, you don't need strength to do this. You just need the right steps, the right form, and the right guidance. And that's exactly what I'm here to give you today. So take a deep breath. You're in good hands, and you're about to learn something that can make your daily movements safer and your confidence stronger. Before we start, I want you to feel completely safe and comfortable. So take a deep breath. And remember, you don't need to rush any of this. Move at your own pace. If getting down to the floor is difficult, place a sturdy chair or a low table beside you. This gives you something steady to hold on to, and it makes the entire movement much easier. If your knees are sensitive, grab a small pillow or a folded towel. Place it under your knees for support. There's absolutely nothing wrong with using these modifications. They're designed to help you feel secure. And if at any point you feel tired or uncomfortable, pause the video, rest for a moment, and continue when you're ready. Your safety is the most important part of this entire routine. Now let's get your space ready. Clear the area around you, make sure the floor isn't slippery, and position yourself where you feel stable and confident. Good. You're doing perfectly. Once you're ready, we'll move into the first step together. Now that you're set up safely, let's prepare your body with a gentle warm-up. This makes the main movement easier, safer, and a lot more comfortable for your joints. And remember, you're not in a hurry. Just follow along at your own pace. You're doing great. And warm-up number 1, ankle circles. Let's start with your ankles. Sit comfortably on the floor, or on a chair if that feels easier. Now slowly lift one foot a little off the ground, and begin making small circles with your ankle. Take your time. Imagine you're drawing a slow circle in the air. Clockwise. And now switch direction, counterclockwise. This helps loosen your ankles, which surprisingly play a big role in helping you stand up safely. Good. Now gently switch to the other ankle. Nice and easy, slow breathing, perfect. Warm-up number 2. Gentle knee lifts. Next, we'll warm up your knees. If you're seated, simply lift one knee upward a few inches, then lower it. If you're comfortable on the floor, bring one knee up toward your chest slightly and back down. No straining, no pulling, just a soft lift and release. Let's repeat that a few times. Good. Now switch legs. You're doing wonderfully. Warm-up number 3. Hip shifts. Now let's wake up your hips. Place your hands gently on the floor or chair for support, and slowly shift your hips side to side. This movement doesn't need to be big. Even a small shift helps loosen the muscles that control your balance. Slow, steady, breathe in, and breathe out. Good. Warm-up number 4. Gentle arm support stretch. Finally, let's warm up your arms and shoulders, because they'll help support you when standing. Place your hands slightly in front of you on the floor or on the chair, and gently lean your weight forward. Feel a tiny stretch in your shoulders and arms. Nothing sharp, nothing painful. Hold, and release. Let's do that one more time. Lean, breathe, and relax. Excellent. Your body is now warm, awake, and ready for the simple method I'm about to show you. You're doing an amazing job. Keep breathing slowly, and when you're ready, we'll move into the first main step. Now we're moving into the main method. Remember, this isn't about speed. It's about safety, control, and confidence. Just follow the steps with me, one slow movement at a time. Step 1. Roll to your side. Naturally, the easiest way to move after a fall is sideways, not upward. So start by gently rolling onto your side. Bend your knees slightly and use your arms to guide you. Rolling to the side reduces pressure on your knees and hips and helps you move without straining your back. Take your time, breathe, and let your body settle into this position. Step 2. Bring your knees under you. Now from your side, bring your knees in toward your chest and slowly slide them underneath your body. If you need extra support, place your free hand firmly on the floor and move one knee at a time. There's no rush. This step helps you move into a safer, more stable position. Step 3. Move into all fours position. From here, gently place both hands on the floor and lift your upper body. Move slowly until you're on your hands and knees, the all fours position. Don't worry if this takes time. You're doing really well. This position gives you balance and control before the next step. Step 4. Bring one leg forward, half kneeling. Most important step. Now that you're stable on all fours, choose one leg, any leg that feels stronger, and slowly step it forward so your foot is flat on the ground. You're now in a half-kneeling position. If this is difficult, that's okay. You can place your hands on a chair, couch, or sturdy object in front of you for balance. Little adjustments are normal. Small movements count. This step puts you in the perfect position to stand safely. Step 5. Push up into standing. From the half-kneeling position, place both hands on your forward knee or on the chair if you're using one. Lean your weight gently forward and push up using your stronger leg. This is not about force, it's about using leverage. Slow, controlled, steady. If your balance feels unsteady, keep one hand on the chair as you rise. Step 6. Finishing position and breathing. And now, relax. Stand tall, feet steady. Take a slow breath in and out. You did it. Even if it wasn't perfect, or if it took longer than you expected. Every bit of progress matters. This method is safe and repeatable and builds confidence each time you practice. Before we wrap up, I want to show you a few common mistakes people make when trying to stand up from the floor, so you can avoid them and stay as safe as possible. These are very simple to fix, and correcting them will make the whole method feel smoother and more comfortable. Mistake 1. Using momentum instead of control. One of the biggest mistakes is trying to throw the body upward using momentum. Fast movements can cause dizziness or loss of balance. And for many adults over 60, sudden shifts can be risky. Instead, always move in slow, steady steps, the way we practiced in this method. Control is safer than speed. Mistake 2. Twisting the spine while standing. Another mistake is twisting the spine while getting up. Twisting too early can strain your lower back, especially if your core muscles are already tired. Instead, keep your chest and hips facing the same direction. Turn with your whole body, not just the spine. Mistake 3. Putting too much pressure on the knees. Many seniors try to push straight up from the knees, but that puts unnecessary strain on joints that may already be sensitive. Remember, the method we practiced shifts your weight through your hands and your stronger leg, not through your knees alone. Your knees should support you, not carry the entire load. Mistake 4. Holding your breath. This one surprises people. But many older adults hold their breath when trying to stand, especially if they feel unsure. Holding your breath can make you lightheaded, which makes balance harder. Slow breathing keeps your muscles relaxed and your movement steady. Inhale and exhale as you rise. Remember, mistakes are normal. What matters is that you're learning the safer way. And every time you practice, your body remembers a little more. Before we finish today, I want you to hear this clearly. It's completely okay if this method takes a bit of practice. Everyone starts at a different place, and every small effort you make is a step forward. Many seniors begin just like you, unsure, a little stiff, maybe even nervous. But with repetition, confidence grows. Movements become smoother, and standing up from the floor becomes easier than you ever expected. So don't worry if today felt challenging. Your body learns through gentle, consistent practice. And every time you repeat these steps, you're training your muscles, your balance, and your confidence. You are stronger than you think. You are capable of more than you realize. And the fact that you're here, learning, practicing, improving, says everything about your strength and your determination. Take a slow breath in and let it out. You're doing wonderfully, and I'm proud of the progress you've made today. If standing from the floor felt hard or uncomfortable, don't worry. There are gentle modifications you can use right away. These options let you practice the same safe mechanics while using extra support. Pick whichever feels best for you today. Let's start with the most supportive option, the two-chair method. Two-chair method, most supportive. Place two sturdy chairs facing each other about an arm's length apart. Sit on the floor between them or on a low cushion. Use both hands to hold the chair arms for balance. From here, roll onto your side exactly as we practiced. Bring your knees under you, move into all fours, and then bring one foot forward so you're in a half-kneeling position, but keep both hands on the chairs for support. When you're ready, press lightly into both chair arms and push up using the forward leg. The two chairs give you firm, balanced support on each side, so you can focus on the movement without worrying about wobbling. This is perfect if you feel unsteady or if you don't yet trust a single support point. Sofa/couch support, simple and comfortable. If chairs aren't available, you can use the arm of a sofa or a low coffee table. Sit near the front edge of the sofa, then roll to your side and follow the same steps. Knees under, all fours, half kneel, placing one hand on the sofa arm for balance as you bring your foot forward. When you push to stand, use the sofa arm to guide your weight upward. Sofas are slightly cushioned, so move a little slower and make sure the sofa is stable enough. Don't use anything that rocks. Pillow under knees modification, for sensitive knees. If your knees are especially sore, place a soft pillow or folded towel directly under the area where your knees contact the floor. This reduces pressure and makes the roll and all fours transition more comfortable. Use a pillow plus a chair or sofa if you need both cushioning and hand support. There's no shame in combining modifications. Comfort and safety come first. Gentle practice reminder. With any modification, move deliberately and slowly. Keep breathing. Inhale as you prepare, exhale as you shift. If something doesn't feel right, pause and adjust your support. These modified options let you practice the same safe steps we covered earlier, while reducing strain and increasing confidence. Over time, as you gain strength and trust, you may feel ready to use less support, and that's progress. Take a moment now to choose the modification that feels best. We'll do one slower supported rep together to finish this section. Alright, let's go through the entire method together one more time. This time, I'll go even slower, and you can follow my pace. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Step 1. Roll to your side. Start by gently rolling onto your side. Take your time. No rush. Place one hand on the floor to steady yourself. Perfect. Just breathe. Step 2. Bring your knees under you. Now slowly slide your knees underneath your body. Use your free hand for support. Good. Keep your spine neutral and easy. You're doing great. Step 3. Move into all fours. When you're ready, push lightly with your hands and move into the all fours position. Spread your fingers for balance. Let your weight settle evenly. If you need a break, pause here. No pressure. Step 4. Bring one foot forward. Next, bring one foot forward so you're in a half-kneeling position. Go as slow as you need. This is the most important transition. If you need a chair or sofa for support, use it confidently. Beautiful. You're moving with control. Step 5. Push gently into standing. Now press gently into your forward leg. Shift your weight. And rise slowly into standing. Use your stronger leg if you have one, and keep a hand on the chair if you need it. Nice and steady. Almost there. Step 6. Finish and breathe. And now, just stand tall. Let your arms relax by your sides. Take a slow breath in, and a slow breath out. You did it. Every time you practice this, your body learns the movement a little better. Strength builds quietly, repetition after repetition. You're making real progress, and you should be proud of yourself. You did an amazing job today. Truly. If you can, try this gentle method every day, even once, and notice how much easier it becomes over time. And I would love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments how this routine helps you, or if you'd like easier or more advanced versions. I read every message. And if you want more simple, safe movements just like this, go ahead and subscribe. I share new senior-friendly wellness tips every single week, all designed to help you stay strong, confident, and independent.